Alright then, so what better place to start another European football vlog than on Rail Beach. Today we are watching CONNAHS QUAY NOMADS, who aren't from Rail but are playing in Rail due to UEFA ground restrictions. CONNAHS QUAY NOMADS are taking on Partizan Belgrade, the massive, and I think it's safe to say absolutely huge, Serbian giant. It should be a really interesting one. We'll see whether after their surprise win over Kilmarnock, whether they will be able to possibly pull off another shock. Other than that, it should be another interesting game, and we should have another ultras filled match with the Partizan fans. So I'll see you in a second at the ground. Right, here we are at Bellevue. Look at that. That's something you don't see very often in Welsh football. Partizan fans are over there. Not exactly the 300 we were promised in the pub, but it should be all right. Fingers crossed they'll make a bit of an atmosphere, and they won't cause Nomads thousands of pounds of fines with flares. There's not that much more to say about the ground, so we'll just leave it at that and we'll get into the game. Alright then, so we're about ready. Teams are going to come out, so for those of you who are interested, this is a team sheet. Big name there for Partizan, Vladimir Stojkovic, 84 caps for Serbia, so he's a pretty good keeper. Yeah, there's not much else to say. I don't know many of the Partizan players, to be honest, but I don't have a massive knowledge of Serbian football. CONNAHS QUAY team is about as expected, so we'll get into it. Right, the two teams, right? If you've got no knowledge of either team, Partizan are obviously in the white with black stripes, or just white today, and CONNAHS QUAY are in the red. Oh yeah, we got kick-off now. CONNAHS QUAY are kicking off in this absolutely massive game. Let's be realistic, it's a huge game. A team who came second in Wales versus a team who came second in Serbia. Let's see who came out at the top. And we're underway. Oh. 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 That's just gone wide. Could and should have been 1-0 Partizan. Oh. Oh. He's bottled that. 1-1 with the keeper. Should have scored. Oh, yeah. It's got a deep free kick for Partizan. Oh. 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 Oh, that's a lack of composure. Oh. Another big chance for Partizan early on. Don't think I managed to get it on the camera, but good ball slipped through to him. Good save by the keeper. They got a corner. Oh. 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 He's managed to get him behind. He has. Have another corner. We're 25 minutes in now. Still 0-0. Partizan have dominated, but the Nomads don't look that shaky. Let's see what happens from this corner. Be very un-Connors Quay like to concede. Oh. Right, we've got that corner again. Good header away. Strike, flick. Still got it. Pull back. Oh, wide. We've got another corner. That's the 4th in 2 minutes. Alright, we've got a Connors Quay free kick. It's the most noise Partizan fans have made all day. Not gonna lie, I've been a little bit disappointed with the Partizan fans. They've definitely not been as good as Copenhagen fans were. They were unreal. But I think it's the name, because you hear about Partizan Belgrade, you think it's going to be absolutely unreal, but I don't know. We're better than that at Barry, and so are the Commies, so we'll stick with this. Classic Nomads long throw. Nomads are attacking. Oh! Got it! Oh! Corner to the Nomads. First corner of the game. More passion up there in the hospitality than in the away end. Right, corner coming up. Will the Nomads take the lead? Oh! No, they can't. It's taken 43 minutes, but the majority of them are singing though. Oh! You're going to keep that in, yeah. Ball in again. One at the back post. Oh, tipped over. Partizan corner. Ball to back post. Put back in. Oh. Some more afters.
Penalty. That is a penalty, referee. The goalkeeper made the Connors keeper. That's a penalty. Yeah. There's no chance of the keeper.
Oh, he's feigning injury now. You going to book the pair of them?
Is he giving a pair?
Book the pair of them. No penalty. Free kick to Partizan. Right then, team's back out for the second half. It is a massive second half for both, really. Partizan are going to want to assert their dominance and get that away win. Connors Quay, if they get that draw, it'll be unreal. But Wales' coefficient and also just their personal pride. The result against Partizan Belgrade is a hell of a thing. Oh, free kick. Thought he'd given a penalty then. It's going to be a free kick to Partizan. Very attacking position. Oh, very close to the edge of the box that actually. Partizan fans are getting excited again. Let's see what happens from this free kick though. Good deflection. Got a corner. Strike. Oh! Straight to the keeper. Ball. It's come off his back. Strike. 1-0. I don't know who to recall. Alright. With a Partizan free kick.
Os na boi efo sgidiau melyn, dio?
He's got to shoot for goal.
O'n watch it again.
See whether they can make it 2-0. This will be 2 in sort of 2 or 3 minutes. So we really crush him for the Nomads. Oh, good save. Partizan are very, very comfortable on the ball at the minute. Since they went 1 up about 5-10 minutes ago, they've had pretty much all the ball. They're just knocking it about as much as they want. They'd want to get a second or possibly even a third, really. But oh, short corner. Oh, he's in so much space. Set himself. Done him. Strike. Straight at the keeper. Great ball over the top. Bakari in. Oh, he's given a free kick. Oh, that was soft. About 82 minutes in, and finally we've got a proper chant from the Partizan fans. There's not been a patch on the Copenhagen fans yet. And I know they have visa issues, so their proper ultras couldn't travel over, but still. See what happens here. Good challenge. Partizan breaking. That's inside. Oh, he's lost it. That's a terrible decision. CONNAHS QUAY had the ball on the left hand side. Ball in. Across the open goal. Got the corner. That would have been the chance to get a draw. Draw against Partizan Belgrade. We've got 2 minutes left. Actually, there's not even 2 minutes left. The board is about to go up. Corner to Nomads. 3 minutes out of time.
Well, we got 4 in the first half, 3 in the second.
Ball in, good header away, Partizan.
Come on.
It's going to drop. Oh.
In!
Those lot down that end are appealing, but they've appealed for everything this game, so I don't really trust them. Someone's getting excited. Got that free kick. Got about 90 seconds left. Ball in. Clipped away. Oh. Thought he'd given a penalty. Defensive free kick. Right, I've had to shoot off early just because of trains and what have you. There was 20 seconds left. Nomads lost. I think it was a very gutsy performance. They were a little tentative till about 70 minutes, but I don't think you can blame them for that. And if you've watched Nomads at any point in your life, they're a tentative team. But a 1-0 home loss to Partizan Belgrade, when you say it out loud like that, it's a pretty good result. We just hope they can turn it around in the away leg next week. Other than that, hope you enjoyed.